Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about ways you can build healthy self-focused habits. So focusing on yourself is an act of self-love and it is not selfish. And if you have been in a habit of focusing on others, it can be a bit hard to shift from that habit. So the habits I'm going to share with you will help and guide you into building healthy ways to focus on yourself. So focusing on yourself is all about spending your time and energy on things that helps you to be your best and also having your needs met. It's about discovering yourself and then take necessary steps to change for the better. So firstly, get better at knowing yourself. Because if you're not familiar with who you are as a person, it can be hard and tough to get your needs met, and it will be difficult to live according to your values because you are uncertain of who you are. So get to know yourself without the interference or influence of others. Spend some time with yourself and take note of all the things you like and love, the experiences you would like to have, a list of things you would like to learn, and the areas you would like to grow. This will help you build a complete picture of yourself outside the influence of anyone else. So if you spend time knowing yourself, you will have a better understanding of the things that sparks joy in your heart, which then leads me to my second point: fall in love with the things that brings you joy. So think of things that really brings joy to your life when you don't have to consider anyone's preferences. What kind of activities are you drawn to? If you like reading books, then what kind of books do you like reading? If you like sports, then what kind of sports do you like? And then make time for those things. And the next thing is learn new things. So all those things you are curious about, make time to learn them because it will help you discover certain things about yourself. There are many ways you can learn. So you can take a class, you can read books or listen to a podcast. Learning new things is really good for your brain, and also you might end up finding a new passion. So another healthy activity that will help you to focus on yourself is journaling. So start journaling. You can journal about anything that comes to mind, and this will help you to get your thoughts out of your head and onto the paper. And as a result, it will help you to better process your feelings. So write it all down, your emotions and whatever you're going through. And if you're not into journaling, you can try meditation. Try to spend some time alone with your own thoughts, as this will help you to be more aware of your thoughts and feelings. And the good thing about meditation is you can do it anytime and any way you choose. Meditation is good for your mental and emotional health. So another thing is practice self-compassion. Offer yourself the same gentle words and treatment that you would extend to a friend or a loved one. Learn to be gentle and kind to yourself. Give yourself time and space to figure things out. Always remember that no one is responsible or tasked with the job of making you happy. That is your own responsibility, and you define your own happiness. So take good care of yourself, as it will help you make healthier connections to others because you know who you are and you understand how you get fulfilled. Okay guys, that's it from me today. Thank you for watching. If you find this content helpful, then like and share with someone, and remember to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my next video, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.